students, now I am going to start question number 4 of exercise 5.2. Now question number 4 says the following pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, mathematics, social science and science. So here pie chart is given and this pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in all 5 subjects. Okay. So here this 90 degree, 65 degree, 80 degree, these are not the score obtained by a student. These are the angle. Okay, these are the angle. These are the angle given of 5 different subjects. Now it is given that if the total marks obtained by the students, here it won't be students, it will be a student. If the total marks obtained by a student was 540, answer the following question. Now in the first part, we have in which subject did the student score 105 marks. Here all angle is given and we have to find in which subject the student scored 105 marks. Okay. Now here hint is given that for 540 marks the central angle is 360 degree. So for 105 marks what will be the central angle? So if you get the central angle, then we can easily find that in which subject he has scored 105 marks, because angle is given in the pie chart and by seeing the angle we can easily identify that in which subject he scored 105 marks. Now in the hint it is given that for 540 marks the central angle is 360 degree. That means if the student get 540 out of 540, that means if he gets full marks, then the central angle is 360 degree according to the hint. If here it is given that for 540 marks the central angle is 360 degree, that means if he gets 540 out of 540, then the central angle will be 360 degree. Now 540 and 540 will be cancelled and will be getting 1. So how we will get 360 degree? If you multiply by 360 degree, then this will be cancelled and 1 into 360 degree is 360 degree, right? So we will use this to get the central angle. Now here see, we will have to find that in which subject did the student score 105 marks. Now this 105 marks is out of 540 marks, because here we have seen that out of 540, if we get 540 marks, that will be written in the numerator, right? Now if the total score is 540 degree and if the student gets 105 marks out of 540, then it will be written as 105 upon 540. Now multiplied by 360 degree. So here we will be multiplying 360 degree. Now whatever we will get after multiplication, that will be the central angle, and after getting the central angle we can easily find from this pie chart, right? So we'll cancel the zeros at first. 18 3s are 54, 18 2s are 36, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So it's 5 2s, if you multiply 35 by 2 will get 5 2s are 10, 0 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. It's 70 degree. Now we'll see the pie chart. Now see where 70 degree is mentioned here and in which subject. It's Hindi. So if the central angle is 70 degree, that means in which subject did the student score 105 marks? It's Hindi. Okay. Now in the second part we have how many more marks were obtained by the student in maths than in Hindi. Okay. Now we will have to find that in maths how many more he has got, right? Here it is said that like in maths he has got more than in Hindi, right? Now we will have to find the difference between these two, difference between maths and Hindi. So for this we need to find the score in maths and in Hindi. So here pie chart is given. So to get the score in maths, marks in maths, see this is the complete angle, means 360 degree, right? and out of 360 degree the part for mathematics is 90 degree. So it's 90 degree divided by 360 degree. 360 degree is the complete whole, and out of that the part for mathematics is 90 degree, and this complete circle is for the total marks, which is 540 degree. So if you multiply by 540 degree, you'll be getting the score in maths. Okay, now 0 0 will be cancelled. 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 45s are 90. So 45 multiplied by 3 is 3 5s are 15, 5 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So the marks in maths is 135. Okay, now we will have to find the score in Hindi also. So marks in Hindi will be finding in a similar way. Here total is 360 degree because the complete circle, this is the complete circle. Okay, complete circle is 360 degree, and out of 360 degree for Hindi we have 70 degree. So 70 degree is a part of 360 degree, and since the total score is 540, so we'll be multiplying by 540 to get the score in Hindi. Now 0 0 will be cancelled again. 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 35s are 70. Okay, now 35 multiplied by 3 is 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. So marks in Hindi is 105. Now the question is, how many more marks in maths? So to get this, we will have to find the difference between marks in maths and Hindi. So the difference is 135 minus 105. So 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 0 is 3. So he has got 30 marks more in maths than in Hindi. Okay, so this was part 2. Now coming to third part. Now in the third part we have examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths is more than the science and is more that in science and Hindi. In hint we have just study the central angles. So here we will have to find the sum of the marks obtained in social science. Social science. Here sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths. So if you find the sum of the marks in social science and maths, you'll be getting more than that in science and Hindi. Okay, we will have to examine whether it is true or not. Okay, so for this we don't have to find the marks in all the subjects. We will have to just study the central angle. Now see, if you see the pie chart, in social science total angle is 360 degree, right? And the part of social science out of 360 degree is 65 degree. So this is the angle for social science, and for maths it's 90 degree. Okay, now in science 80 degree we have, and in Hindi we have 70 degree. Now here, instead of finding the marks in all the subjects, we'll just see that in which angle, in which subject central angle is greater. Like here, if you find the sum of the central angle in social science and maths, like here 65 degree and 90 degree, if you add 5 plus 0 is 5 and 9 plus 6 is 15, so it's 155 degree. And if you find the sum of the central angle in science and Hindi, then 0 plus 0 is 0 and 8 plus 7 is 15, so it's 150 degrees. So what we have seen that here in the question it's given that examine whether the sum of this is greater than the sum of science and Hindi. So here what we have observed that 155 degree is greater than 150 degree. So this statement is correct. So instead of finding the marks in all the subject, we just found the sum of the angle. Okay, sum of the angle here, like here central angle is greater than this. So by seeing the central angle, we can easily say that if 155 degree, here we have 155 degree out of 360 degree, this is the part of 360 degree, right? Here we have 155 degree out of 360 degree, and here we have 150 degree out of 360 degree. So obviously if the angle is more, then marks is more. If the angle is less, then marks is less. So here this statement is true. So we'll write, yes, the sum of marks obtained in social science and maths is more. Here we have seen that 155 degree is more than 150 degree. So we'll write in science and maths is more than in science and Hindi. Okay. So this was all about question number 4. Thank you, students.